All right, guys. Okay, let's start. Uh, Once again, the backtesting strategy. Let's see how it works out. Hopefully, you guys are learning, and I'm learning as well. So, yeah, let's just begin. All right. So this is today we are going to start on the forex market. Yeah, this is the Euro USD pair. I have my paper trading switched on, paper trading mode switched on the trading view. Okay. So let's just go to any random stupid date. Okay. Let me begin start my righty. Okay. Weekend. Sorry, what weekend? And and was saying let's start with the weekly chart first. Okay. So as usual, we are going to mark out the pivots, order blocks, and fair value gaps. Okay. So I can see order block here. This is a bullish order block for me. I mean, yeah, this is for everyone. This is a bullish order block. Fair value gaps. Do you guys see fair value gaps here? It's quite obvious. Okay, let's mark it out. Weekly fair value gap. There are other fair value gaps which are quite obvious as well. Right. Weekly fair value gap again. Mhm. There's a fair value gap below as well. Mm, there's a fair value gap here as well, but it's too small. I mean, I'm just being lazy. It's so small that I had to zoom in quite a bit to mark it. And I'm lazy to do that, so I'm not going to do that. I don't know whether that's a good habit. Time will tell. Okay, time will tell. Anything else? There's a pivot here. Just mark it out, whatever it is. Okay. Uh, Any other pivots do you see? Yep, I see pivot. I see another pivot. This one. Even though those two pivots are quite near to each other. But I still feel this is a significant pivot because you see there's a wick here, there's a wick here. These are two like almost like equal highs. So there's definitely a lot of liquidity above there, and price might just want to wick about, take out the buy stops and come back down. So it might happen. So that's why I'm marking it. Okay, weekly chart is done. Mm. Then we go to the daily chart. Okay, so we see that, yeah, it's kind of like coincides, the weekly fair value gap coincides with the daily fair value gap. You see what happened here? There was a sweep of this high. This high was swept by this wick and then it immediately dumped. See, though I'm finding basically that's the strategy that I'm using, right? I'm waiting for the sweep, then a break in market structure, and then enter on the fair value gap on lower time frame. Basically, that's the strategy. So I've been thinking about it over the past, I mean, today, like to find thinking about like what has been working well in the back testing, and what has been working well in back testing is like when there is a sweep like this on higher time frame, like on a 4 hour or a daily, and then there is a break in market structure like here, then price just immediately dumps afterwards. And the break in market structure could be on the lower time frame as well. So when you see a sweep like this on a 1 hour or a 4 hour, immediately switch to the lower time frames, like 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and see if there is a break in market structure, and enter at the retest of the enter at the FVG, right? It might not always work out, but a lot of times it works out pretty well. So yeah, so basically I'm just gonna do only that strategy. I'm not gonna try out any other uh, half-hearted strategy. I'm just gonna fix on that. I'm gonna wait for the sweep, and then at the preferably at the point of interest, and then wait for market structure break on the lower time frame, and then enter at the fair value gap on the lower time frame. Right. So yeah, that's what we are going to do today. Mm, this is the daily chart. Any order blocks? I don't see any order blocks. This could be an order block if it breaks this market structure. If this goes on to break the market structure. Yeah, I mean, an order block is considered valid or a significant order block if the impulsive price action after the order block leads to a break in market structure as well. So then that order block is considered pretty strong. Okay, so I don't see any other pivot order block or fair value gap on the daily. Okay, so let's move on to the 4 hour. Kind of like this fair value gap also kind of like coincides. There's a fair value gap here that I think we should mark out. Okay, what does this do? 4 hour fair value gap. There's another fair value gap here. Let's mark it out. Right. Do I see order block? Nope, not here. On the yeah, that's an order block, I guess so. Let's see. Let's inspect. Is this an order block? Is this bullish candle? No, I don't think so. Because ideally, I want to see a like impulsive price action after the after after a so-called order block. Okay, so this I won't categorize as order block. Price might still react from there, but yeah, if price reacts, I might reconsider my belief about order blocks if it repeatedly happens on during my backtesting. All right. So yeah, there are other pivots here. I'm gonna mark it out, label it as 4 hour pivot. Okay, anything else? Do you guys see? No. Okay, we can start. Okay, let's see what price does. So my expectation is price is gonna wick above here. It might even like wick above these highs, tries to. So we have to be careful of that. Like if it might wick, and then I think my plan of action would be based on how it wicks. My plan of action would be to short. If it wicks this way, if it goes above this high, my plan of action is going to be short on the lower time frame. My entry would be on the lower time frame. Yeah, take that FVG. Oh, completely obliterated that FVG. Oh, that FVG gone as well. What are you doing, price? So it's going to go for the liquidity below this pivot. I guess so. Okay. Yeah. So now let's see. Price is in our point of interest. Ideally, I would have liked to see not a candle body close below this pivot, but just a wick only and a candle body close above this pivot, above this ray. But as you can see, there's a candle body close below the pivot. So it is quite very well possible that price might just continue to go down from here. So anyways, I'll still switch to the lower time frame to see. Um, I mean, this is backtesting. We are just we can experiment. If price breaks the market structure with an impulse, I might enter along. See, I won't consider this breaking this high as a break of market structure. This is a very like a I don't know what to call this price action. I don't like that kind of price action. Price action. Okay, see, it's moving very slow. Okay, those are some impulsive moves. We can delete these fair value gaps because they have been mitigated already. There is the fair value gap. Okay, 4 hour fair value gap. Let's see what price does now. Okay, okay, go for another wick down. You can do it. Mhm. Didn't I might consider this as a high, but it didn't break that. Okay. See, I still haven't entered anything. It's because remember our strategy, which is that a sweep on the 4 hour and then a break in market structure. It's going to fill up this fair value gap. Hmm. So price has broken this market structure here. Uh, it was okay. I think I can give it a go here. I like this place to short because price has broken this low. It is not like a very clean break, right? Ideally, I would have loved to see an impulsive break, but you don't get always what you want. You don't get always what you want. Okay, so but still, since this is a 4 hour chart and a break market structure break on the 4 hour chart or higher time frames like this are quite highly probable in the oh wait, this is a break in on the 15 minute. What am I saying? On the 4 hour chart, what is the price doing? Okay, what was I doing, man? Um, I should go sleep, take some rest. My brain is fried. What was I thinking? Okay, anyways, on the 15 minute chart. Yeah, then I won't take this trade. I won't, even though there's a break in market structure, I can see some equal highs here. I am expecting price to go and fill this fair value gap completely and then maybe come down or take out this high and then come down. So this is a faker inducing people into shorts, I guess. Yeah, what did I see? Price has filled the fair value gap. You can delete it. Well, it didn't take out this high yet. Okay, no worries. if price breaks this low, I'm going to enter a short. Yeah, it went back up. My guess is it took that. It definitely took. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Um, what am I doing? My brain's fried. Oh, it still haven't taken that. Still haven't. Still haven't. It created a kind of like equal high. It's filling the fair value gap. It might just come off. Oh, we should enter now, I think. Pray to God that this works out. Pray to gods. Pray to the God. Okay. Uh, Good 2.57 RR. Let's do this. Hopefully we get filled. This is such an impulsive move that I'm not willing to, I mean, um, I have suspicion that it might not hit our entries, so I will get two entries here. One for 1.38 R, one for other one. Okay? Oh man, what the hell, dude? Okay, now I'm going to delete this entry. Let's hope if price goes back up until there. Let's come on. Let's move to the 4 hour chart to make this fast because my brain is fried and I need to go sleep. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Failed. Completely failed. Didn't hit my entry. I still have hope still. I mean, like, yeah, I see. That's a good reaction. I would like price has already come down until here. That's a good 1 hour, I guess so. And we can like 1.5 hour. If you want, you can take a full take profit here. I would have because price has already come down so much. I don't think it will go down further. Oh, what kind of bullshit reasoning is that? Yeah. Okay. Why didn't it show the arrows? Oh, because it. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Right. Okay. So a decent trade. I mean, yeah, this is backtesting, so the psychological aspects are not at play at all. Because I don't know if I would have waited from all the way from here to here, right? This was 15th of July, and this we got, and our entry got filled on like 27th of July, 12 days, right? It's a long time. Do you have that kind of patience? I don't know if I have that kind of patience. We'll find out. This is just the journey that we are on, right? We'll find out. Cool. Have a good day, guys. Nothing I say is financial advice. I'm gonna go sleep, and you guys take care. Bye bye.